Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we jump into today's video, I do have a few things I want to point out really quick. First of all, ignore my hair. It's a complete mess. It's like almost 9 o'clock at night and I'm filming this after my kids are in bed. So it's been a full day over here. Second, you'll notice my new backdrop over here. I decided to switch things up a bit to make it look a little more appealing, opposed to like having the door in the background, my bed in the background, and boxes stuff. So I have this set up right now, but the lighting is a little bit off currently just because I'm waiting for another light to come in. So it's like kind of wonky right now, as you can see. So just bear with me till I get that fixed. But for today's video, I have my May Boxycharm box right here, along with my May giveaway. Also, I do want to thank you guys for just, sorry, that box is really loud, sticking with me. I know I haven't been uploading hardly anything lately. As you know, I am pregnant with my third child. By the time this video goes up, I'll be 20 weeks pregnant. So I've just been tired. I've been sick. I've been emotional, all sorts of things. If you have kids, I'm sure you understand. If not, then I'm all over the place. So thank you again for just sticking with me. So that's kind of a long intro, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into this box plus my giveaway. So if you're interested in seeing what I got this month, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so the little pamphlet that came in this month's box is this little guy, and the theme is flourish. So really pretty, very spring vibe. So the first thing out of this box right here that we got was actually my choice item, and that is the MURAD City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. This retails for $74. I was super excited to see this as a choice item just because I wanted to try MURAD for a really long time, but I haven't gotten around to it because it is crazy expensive. So this says detoxify and revitalize skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light form electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. This breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen skin's barrier while you sleep, which is why it's called an overnight moisturizer. So I really like the packaging on this. First of all, you just squish it and it comes up that way. So this moisturizer is really interesting because it comes out and it looks, I'm sorry for the lighting guys, it just keeps going from like cool to warm. It's all over the place again, like I said, just bear with me. But the moisturizer comes out like really thick and then it rubs in and like turns into almost like this gel. So it's not as thick on as you think it would be when it comes out at first, and it's really cooling as well. So I actually really like that and I'm super excited about it. So the next item in here is from Cab Cosmetics. I think we've gotten a few items from them before, but it is their day and night eyeshadow palette, which retails for $52. So it's this bad boy, and this is what it looks like. It is really pretty. I just used a few shades. I used this Georgia Peach shade in my crease, and then I used this Halo shade all over my lid, and then I went in with Cocoa, kind of like to smoke out a bit. I did an all matte look, didn't use any shimmers. Oops. But I will swatch a few of the shimmers for you just so you can see. Here's some of them right there. Let's do like 2 more. These are crappy swatches, but there we go. Those 2 are really pretty. So next we have a brush collection from LAVISH. This retails for $30. It came in this little pouch. I took them out obviously, and there is 5 different brushes. So this is what we have. I use this for the color in my crease. I use this all over the lid, and then I use this to kind of like do that little winged look. So overall, like, these are nice. They perform great. This one really did a great job at blending out that peachy shade, so I really like that one. Next we have from Mellow Cosmetics. I don't think, excuse me, I've heard of them before. It is this lip gloss in the shade Saint Tropez. This is $18. I have it on right now. I'll stick a little more on. I do like this. It's a pretty pigmented gloss. Like I said, I do have it on, but I'll show you it right over here too. It's pretty pigmented, like really pigmented actually, and it's really pretty. So I do like this gloss. And then the last thing in the box is from DRYBAR. It is their Hottie Toddy Heat Protectant Mist, which retails for $27. So I didn't actually end up using this just because I very rarely straighten my hair, and I do have a few other heat protectant products, so I didn't want to add something because I'm not going to use it. So this is actually going to be saved for the giveaway, but this retails for $27. So when we bring the total up for this month box, my box was $201. Again, you're paying for $25 a month for that, so $201 that is awesome. So that is everything from this box. Now we're going to go ahead and jump into the giveaway. Okay, so for this month's giveaway, I have 5 items. As previously mentioned, I have the heat protectant from DRYBAR, and then I have this highlighting palette from Kinder Beauty, I believe is what it's called. I'm not going to swatch it, but I will open it and show you what it looks like. It is nice and wrapped in bubble wrap and everything. This is what it looks like. You have some highlight shades, a little bit of a bronzy shade too. So this is really pretty. Then we have these, I don't know if you've heard of the brand like Face Halo. It's like the makeup removing pads. This is kind of like that, but it's a different brand. I don't know if it's called Say or Sai or whatever, but there is 3 different reusable beauty rounds here. So a little bit of like skincare for you. Another little skincare item is this brand from, I think it's just called High, and it is their eye gel contour. So this is what it looks like. The packaging on this is so incredibly cute. Like, look how cute that is. Really nice bottle, really cute. So a little eye gel cream right there. And then the last thing, I say this in all my giveaways, I cannot do a giveaway without throwing in an eyeshadow palette. So this is one from Beauty Bakery, and this is their Breakfast in Bed palette. And whoops, here is what it looks like. It has a little protective sheet thing here, so I'm gonna grab that off. But really pretty shades right here. So I'm gonna put that back. So yeah, that is all 5 items for this month's giveaway. I'm gonna scoot over so I can insert the rules. If you are new to my channel, all of my giveaway rules are always the same. You must be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and then third and last, leave a comment down below. And in that comment, make sure you leave a way for me to contact you. Instagram, email, whatever works best for you. I will leave this up for a week, so I will put the end date here on the screen for those of you who are wondering, because I'm not sure when this is going to be uploaded. So I put the end date here. It is USA only. Also, I typically announce the winner over on my Instagram. It's just at Mary Petrushko. Last month, I didn't announce the winner because I was super behind. Obviously, I mailed the giveaway to the winner, but I didn't announce it last month, but I typically do on my Instagram. So that is everything for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.